Peepla the purple butterfly here, otherwise known as Peepla7 on Twitter and YouTube. Peepla elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-peepla.blogspot.com, and my soap, Purple Butterfly Soap, can be located at peepla.etsy.com, and I'm here to cut the peach tree soap. But if you haven't noticed, I have to do that differently these days. I can't really lift stuff. And go here. Okay, now this has a very interesting look to it because of computation errors. I put too much of the stearic acid in. So it made for a very hard bar, like it's supposed to, but it made for a very hard bar that turned solid while I was stirring it. So, yeah, it did what it's supposed to. I'm just hoping that it doesn't break apart when I go to cut it, because that's actually a possibility. Okay, now, has orange, blue, green, and soft yellow in it for the colors. Okay. Having issues these days, just bear with me. It smells like peaches. And as usual, the phone's about to die. So I will see you in the next video. Peepla, the purple butterfly, at peepla.etsy.com, and the blog is purplebutterfly-peepla.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye now.